So this Ghanaian lady is warning people coming to Ghana for Detty December to avoid Nigerian girls. According to her, she said that most Nigerian girls in Ghana have HIV. So if you are coming for Detty December in Ghana, be careful. And she also went further, telling you the tricks you're going to use to identify who is a Ghanaian and who is not a Ghanaian. So she was like, just ask the person to mention 33, that's 33. That if you hear them saying 33, they are not Ghanaians. Hey, but I don't call 33 33. I call it 33. So tell me, Delphina sitting right here, is she a Ghanaian or a Nigerian? So as a Nigerian, I will be lucky to get one person be that now, since I don't pronounce 33 as 33, but 33. Well, guys, let's get right into the video, and please, at the end of it, I would love you to drop your thoughts in the comment section.
Those of you coming from abroad to, enjoy this Detty December in Ghana, please, when you are following a man home, write 33. Ask the person to mention. If the person says 33, please, it has nothing to do with Ghana. If you are taking a lady home and you are thinking you found yourself a beautiful, nice woman, please let the person mention 33. If not, and they mention 33, my HIV they carry go house. My problem is, please, we are trying hard to take our name out of them because they are using Ghana to do things. We don't want to be hearing, and this one followed this one, and lost their life. This one followed this one, and then when I came to Ghana, I ended up having this kind of disease and all that. Please take note. We Ghanaians, we respect ourselves. We respect ourselves. Me can't say if you be a mensa nim, if you be a mensa womb. But please take note. The Nigerians in Ghana right now that are going to be on the streets this festive season, they are more than the Ghanaians. So please, we do not want you to get yourself involved with them and then come and blame it on Ghanaians because it happened to you here in Ghana. I am telling you people, our borders are open. The Nigerians are running away. They are coming to small Ghana to save their own lives. So please, as you are coming, take note and do not involve we Ghanaians. Take note. So 3, they say 3. If it is 33, they will say 33. So please take note and then be warned.
Well, I love the fact that Ghanaians are coming together to protect their name. This name, Ghana. They are coming together right now. They don't want people to come to Ghana and contact all manners of sickness. When they return to their homes, they will be like, I contacted this in Ghana, I contacted that in Ghana. It's not right. So I love the fact that they are coming together to protect people that are coming into Ghana, so they'll be very aware of what is happening. And I'm not saying all Nigerian girls in Ghana are doing a shower. If I said all Nigerian girls in Ghana are doing a shower, that means I am also an Ashawo girl because I'm a Nigerian. But not everybody, not every Nigerian girl in Ghana is doing a shower. I have a video I want you guys to check.
Boys, mama, don't they stingy to come for ko? Or not, don't they stingy to come and second car shower? Mona come and say, guy with a big box, come and second car shower with the asa. We're not there for even. We're not there We're not there for money tonight. Night till morning. We're not there come and second car shower. Come and say your wife doesn't know they tire you. Come and second carry a bonus, go carry across the board, carry a business. Come and second say so. Say they do you the ass, but you slice them for bed. Go.
Goats. Hey, mango day. Why you not make this one deaf and dumb? What was you now? God, why you not make this one this bola bed now in Basa? What was you now? My people, Nigeria don't spoil. Nigeria finally don't spoil. Nigerian ladies, they carry their toto, they go market. What was it now? House to house market for Nigeria. Ever since their authority came out that they go collect toto tax. Now they have their freedom. Say yes. Now they go sell the toto for Nigeria. What was it now? Olonso Where gone are the days? They hide them. They hide Olocho. Handicap. Nigeria. It is the lucrative job in Nigeria. Like this now. Now you the see you. Come in. Come in your yo. What was you now? Come in your to eat toto now for Nigeria by force. What was you now? To eat toto now for Nigeria now by force. We should come out. Come and eat toto. Come out. Come and talk toto. So Nigeria, una no go learn sense. Una no go copy sense from Ghanaians. Una no go copy sense. Now, advertising of Toto for internet. Now, has it gotten to this? Has it gotten to this? So nobody there, that Nigeria there, that can control certain for Nigeria. Nobody there to control you people. Everybody there in Nigeria, they do anything just to make money. While the boys are into Yahoo, their ladies are into Orosho, whilst others are into kidnapping, others are doing other criminalities. Waiting Nigeria. Una they like quick money like that. Tell me, as a girl like this, now your business now to advertise Toto. When we are talking, you go say Ghana, so Ghana. What was it? Any Ghanaian advertising Toto on the internet like this? What was it? Goats. Yes. Power.
Guys, this is very, 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 very shameful. Oh my God. Nigerians don't have shame again. I mean, some Nigerians don't have shame. What is the meaning of what I just finished watching right now? Hey, now I see the reason why they are tagging us all as a shower. Now I see the reason why, because some people have the guts to come online and talk about this work. This work we no good. People they hide, they do them, but now it has become a normal day-to-day activities, and they know they feel them. They don't feel it. They don't feel shame again doing this kind of work. Street work now is now a job. Chai. Guys, I want to tell you guys a little story of a lady that that came to disturb my street here in Ghana. Yes, a Nigerian lady. Let me address her well. A Nigerian ashawo in Ghana. Well, the video is going to be on another video, a different video entirely, but I want you guys to listen to the story, okay? I think I'm going to post it much later in the evening, so if you are interested, come back and watch. Now, listen to the story. This Nigerian ashawo lady visited a man. They came to do their kukere work, and after everything, the man refused to pay her the money they agreed. So, as ashawo lady, she wanted to fight the man. Then the man beat and kicked her out of his house. And she was on the street crying, disturbing the neighborhood. Guys, I went downstairs to ask what was happening because the noise was becoming too much. From my room, I could hear her shouting, crying, insulting the man. But from the way she pronounced, yes, she pronounced her words, I knew that she is a Nigerian. Yeah, I discovered that even before I went downstairs, guys. So my advice to all these Ghanaian men, please, when you agree on a price, make sure you pay. And the mistake you made is by carrying her to your house. Why would you carry this girl to your house if you know, say, you no go fit pay her the complete money? Now, everybody in this neighborhood know that they carry a shower. Well, we had a discussion with some of my neighbors, and he told me that the girl said it was the man that beat her. But I told this very guy that, no, Ghanaian men are not like that. This girl did something that made this guy beat her. Maybe she was proving stubborn and shouting. Maybe she was the one that slapped him first. Yes, it's not a surprising thing, especially from an ashawo girl. Yes, it's not a surprising thing. These people no get mind though. And as they tell her, say, make she calm down, make she just go. This girl, still they talk about money, that she must take her money. We got tired and we left that very night. So these are the set of people that are spoiling our names. We, the good Nigerians in Ghana. Why? Why? We have many jobs that you can do here in Ghana without selling your pussies. But because of your lazy and fast money, you decided to be opening your legs to different men. Hey, this is horrible. Why won't I stop? Oh, if not, na so I go the video you. You even thank God say no be during daytime. If not, I will capture your face where and put it out here. The way you did cry like one innocent girl. So this is how our Nigerian girls are disgracing us here in Ghana. This is what they do. Most of them. This is what they do. They prefer to sell their body instead of working hard. They no one sweat. They want do fine girl. And most of the ashawo on the streets, they are fine girls, so fine girls. Hey, fine girls, so. But you know what? Follow the right prompts and look for money. You want fast money. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I want to use this medium to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back for your girl. Thanks for the support, guys. And if this is your first time on this channel, you've watched the video from beginning to this time and you've not subscribed, why? I dare. Subscribe to the channel already. And also do to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Don't you want to be the first to get notified? Do that already. I love you. Bye-bye.